Hey guys, so this is Charlie Bear's 2020 birthday bear. So let's see what we have.
Ooh.
How exciting!
Oh, the box even glistens a bit.
And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.
Oh, the box. Who? Me? I'm yours. Wow.
Look how cute that is. That is
Oh my
adorable.
God. Let's take him out carefully. Look at this scarf, paw print. And we have got, there you go, Charlie Birthday Bear 2020. Limited edition.
Yes, very limited edition.
Look. How amazing is he? And look at the paws and his fur.
That is amazing.
Detail of his eyes. I love his scarf. Look at the box. It's just amazing what you get. Wow. I love it. Wow, when is it? There's his tag.
Yep, here's the tag, guys. So it's official. It's not a fake. It is an official Charlie Bear.
Birthday bear.
It's the official Charlie Birthday Bear 2020.
He is stunning.
It's their 15th birthday, it says here.
It's got snowy fur. Oh, his paws.
I love that. That is nice and soft. And the face is all cute.
It's very colour coordinated on the tassels.
Yes.
Right, shall we put you back in your box then?
So if you guys enjoyed this review, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, this is the video. Goodbye, everyone.